This particular video, yogic breathing technique, yogic practices, recovery, past recovery method for the COVID patients, home quarantine or wherever no treatment, getting treatment, no, you must follow the as per the rule. Whatever medicine, everything you must take every day as per the doctor given detail. In between, you have to add the yogic practices to fast recovery method to inhale more oxygen level inside the body, inside the lungs and circulatory system. One more secret I will tell you. This body run by two nadis. One is cool nadi, another is heat nadi. You must aware. One is cool nadi, another is heat nadi. This both nadi only balancing the body. Both nadi only balancing the body. It is connected to center of mind, center of prana. It is inside the pineal gland. Some communication is there between pineal gland and pituitary gland. The both commander operating the body. The pineal now heal the energy from the prabanja or the solar system and heal the body and boost the body and protect the body also. So, this method of nadis you must aware. Don't fear first. If you fear, affected, no, if you fear more, that no inside no all viral will boost also. If you are not fear, do whatever no practices and take herbals and whatever grocery items which is the bitter taste, more bitter taste grocery items inside the kitchen, no, turmeric is there, coriander powder is there, coriander, then no pepper, black pepper is there, garlic is there, onion is there, lot of no bitter taste foods available in kitchen, grocery items, and lot of alkaline foods is available in kitchen. You must mix and like borage. What is called borage? No, kanji. Rice, whatever rice, grind it in mixie and put it in water. Add the lot of grocery item like bitter taste and alkaline taste. Okay? Another is pepper, very important, and turmeric, important. Tulsi, that is holy basil, very important. Whatever around inside the kitchen grocery item and herbal, small herbals, along with government, what suggested, we must take along with this integrated medicine, yogic practice, integrated, nature medicine. Must boil and drink. Don't fear it, boil and drink immediately. We need to create the heat inside the body, that's it. We need to open the heat nadi, okay? Now understood, no? Heat nadi is, this is the heat nadi, we must open. End of the day, we must open and practice this nadi only. How to open, I will tell you. Okay, that's secret. How to open the active of this heat nadi, that is sun nadi, this is protector nadi, this is digestion nadi. Whatever inside unwanted things go, no, this nadi will open. If the patient flow well, this right nadi flow well means it is recovering, it is recovering. If it is run of left side nadi, we need to give more bitter taste and more heat foods, and we need to do the more exercise, pranic exercises, this here to change to this nadi. How to change the nadi? I will show you how to change the cool to this heat nadi. Okay, end of the day, we must open the heat nadi. That is called sun nadi. That is protector nadi. If you apply the heat, if you open the heat nadi, inside mucus will remove automatically. This is a yogic breath medicine. Okay, Surya Bhadana. Surya Bhadana Nadi Sodhana. If you do 30 morning, afternoon 30, around 60 also. If affected person, you do 60, 60, 60, 4 times, 6 times gap, whenever gap stomach is empty, when stomach is empty, you must do whatever heal and hold. That recovery, you recover fastly. How to open the Sannadi? Keep only tennis ball inside armpit of left side armpit. That's it. Hold it 20 minutes. Move this direction, left side direction. If you move left side direction, this sun nadi will open. That medicine nadi will open. This sun prana only remove the obstacle from the body, remove the mucus, remove the lot of mucus from the body inside. This will, if this nadi open and run, means there is no problem. It's a recovering mode. Disease will recover fastly. If unable to open, you must open the nadi like tennis ball. Keep it armpit and hold 20 minutes. Move this direction and keep and sit. Watch whether open or not. Watch. Okay, this is a method. Before that, no changing, no. If not open, this is blockage is there. It already is no. I kept ball inside the armpit. Correct. We need to open, no, fastly. This is active, no. Correct, no. This is a cool nadi. It's flowing. While flowing cool nadi, always body will cool, no. Water accumulation will increase. Correct. Do one thing. Inhale like this. This blockage is there. Right nadi block, already blockage is there. Okay. Remove. I already saw how to inhale. Inhale. I am inhaling through the left nadi. Already is active only. Body is cool. Mucus more. Mucus there. Mucus is there. Lot of no blockage is there inside body. I am doing to remove. Already I am armpit kept inside. Okay, do this practice. Inhale, whatever, no, body already tired, fatigue is there, everything. Whatever inhale method. Tightly close the right nadi. Inhale, hold it few seconds. If you do 15 to 30, already armpit you kept the tennis ball, automatically right nadi will open smoothly. Okay. If after right nadi opened well, take tennis ball, keep it in the outside, and right now you opened the medicine nadi. Do one thing, close blockage of nadi, this left side, same practice. Hold it, whatever no capacity of your lungs, hold it. Inhale and hold it. Like this also, your no body already weak, correct, no, but this nadi is opened, correct, close it. Think inside lungs red color. Think and imagine red color is heat, no, heat energy. Red color is heat energy. That's called no color therapy. Inhaling the red prana. Red prana is going inside the lungs. Hold it the red prana. Generate the heat. Exhale. Feel inside the lungs, alveoli, everything getting the oxygen and circulatory, it is connecting the circulatory, something like that. It's working fine like that. Lungs is expanding and red color, pink color. pink and red, you can think in, imagine and meditate. Breathe out. Red color prana, I am inhaling. Hold it. While exhaling, think black color prana is going out, toxin is going out. Inhaling is red color. Hold it and think red color inside. Okay, like this. This is active. Right side nadi is active. You changed the nadi. Lying this side also, after, if you don't have the ball also, lying this side also, this nadi will open. Another method, okay, one more method I will teach you. Like this, take the cotton, okay, take the cotton cloth, okay, inside also cotton cloth, keep it like this and tight it, close the left nadi always, around 6 hour, 4 hour, days and night day full, you must close, okay, close it and lying this direction. You have to sleep only left side. You have to sleep left side only. If you lie and sleep the left side, automatically digestive system improve, automatically immune system will improve, that prana of heat prana will operate the body, detox the toxin, it will boost the 72,000 RDs. This is happening whenever after food, we are lying in left side for night, you must keep and sleep left side only. If you lie and sleep in left side, that flow will happen in right side always to clean the body, improve the digestion, lot of tattvas. Okay, this is another method. Keep like this, open, keep like this and open the right nadi. Okay, that also. Okay, close it, open, flow is well or not. If flow is not there, inhale, this is open now, inhale, inhale in left side, exhale in right side. Little fast. Another method I will teach you. This is also you can inhale. If the affected people not inhale means, hold it few seconds, close the left nadi and force it in right side nadi. Opening the right side nadi. Slowly you have to exhale. Tight the mouth. Okay, if you are not tightening that, air will block. Okay. Hold it, red color inside the lungs. Exhale. Hold it few seconds. Exhale. Hold it few seconds. This is a red color prana breathing to open the right side nadi. If the right side nadi is open, that recovery method, whatever you are eating, wild medicine, this will open only. This will open only. This is the recovery medicine yogic practices. Siddha Rishi Lot wrote, if the nadi is 10 days run without changing this nadi, digestion nadi, that's more, mucus will accumulate 100%, blockage will happen and prana blockage will happen, chakras will not activate, that end going to end only. The medicine more bitter taste and heat foods, if you add pepper and more heat foods, alkaline foods, that this nadi will open and recovery method also start, and keep like this in daytime 4 hour, 5 hour or 6 hour. Because affected people, we must open the right side nadi only, whatever apply, moving exercise, ginger, dry ginger or ginger water, lot of things if you add inside body, that in through foods you are adding the heat foods. Through foods you have to add the bitter taste foods to open the right side nadi only. This is a medicine, yogic practice to why secret method of medicine practice of breathing. Surya Bhadana operating. Surya Bhadana breathing. Okay? Close it. Opened already. Hold it. Whatever know your body, holding time. Hold. Same. Inhaling through the right side nadi. Hold it. Inside lungs red color. Exhaling. Keep rest 15 minutes. Another method of God and violet prana. Inhaling violet prana, same nadi. Hold it like exhaling. Violet will the top chakra. If you activate the top chakra, that body immune will boost prana, spreading prana inside the body and chakras and nadis, everything, no, that flow. Take the flow and cycle. The boost root chakra. Root chakra is red, top chakra is violet. Both need to activate by the breath of prana color. Violet color, imagine violet in your area. Meditate like this. Keep the meditate mudra, chin mudra. Inhale, red color. Hold it few seconds, red color. Breathe out. Breathe in, hold few seconds, red color, prana inside the lungs. Breathe out. Already body is fatigue, correct no? But you must consciously do 6 times in the day, night time also 3 times. Automatic more recovery option will create. Feel red color. Breathe in. Hold it. Our body curing. I am more energy. Think that. Exhale. Through mouth also. Inhale violet color. Through mouth also. Inhale violet color. Think around violet prana is there. See violet. No, wherever violet is there. See first and practice how violet color is there. In Android phone is there. See the violet prana, violet color, how it is. Imagine that. Breathe in. This method one, hold it. This method, hold it. Violet inside body, head also violet, everything violet. You are around is violet. Feel like, breathe out. Breathe in violet, feel like this. I am good. Everything's prana. Prana is recovering the body. There is no problem inside the body. Breathe out. Breathe in violet. Few seconds. Increase the breath in. Hold whatever your capacity of holding time. Breathe out. Then take rest. Then breathe in red. Our bottom body is red. Our leg is also red. Everything red. Heat generated inside the body while holding. Exhale. Red prana inhaling. Body is ready. Okay. Like this 30 to 60 you must consciously from the morning till the sleep gap around 6 times you can create the heat to open the right side nadi valli. All the practice will open the right side nadi valli. I told the secret how to open the right side nadi. Keep the tennis ball in the armpit and keep like this, like this, always to open the right side nadi. Close the left side nadi like this. Also, if blacked, this also you blacked, correct? How to breathe? Breathe in. affected people, COVID affected people, the fatigue, body and all not moving, no pain, more pain, correct? Don't worry. Inhale. Hold it few seconds, whatever capacity of your strength of body, hold it. Breathe in. Then check whether flow is well, open, no, keep, and do practice in right side. Red color, hold it 15 time or 30 time, keep rest. Inhale violet color, keep it. This is the method, fast recovery method of yogic practice, prana method, to rebuild the chakra, bottom root chakra and top chakra. If you activate and stimulate the bottom root chakra, that heat will generate and open the sun nadi, Surya Bedana, flow well of prana, more oxygen level inhaling. No, end of the day for him only inhaling the oxygen, correct? No, you must eat the heme content food, iron content food must, you must eat iron content food daily. For the moringa, if you eat moringa water daily, 1 glass of water, boil the leaves and put in turmeric and other, no, jeera, everything black, everything, all other grocery item, turmeric and coriander, everything, add and drink that moringa juice or moringa, boil and take water essence from the moringa leaves, take daily around 40 days. Your body always more prana, lot of inner, no, the inner more immune will develop and right side breath will open automatically, right side breath will take care of the body, take care of the lungs capacity, increase the lung capacity, right side Surya Bedana. Heart function also, this is a heart nadi, heart nadi. Every day whatever thing and whatever doing, no, that's nadi will change only, left and right. This is a psychology nadi, this is a physical activation nadi. Right now all patient must activate the physical activation nadi only to recover fast. Okay, it's a method. Then clap it 100 time morning, afternoon 100 time, evening 100 time. Take 300 clap must do. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4. Breathe in, breathe out like this. You are the affected people, not the body also pain, like this. Don't hesitate, don't fear, do it. Consciously think that red color, I am a red color. Then change the violet color. Take rest, put oil, coconut oil, okay, then apply it. Take rest, do it 100. If you clap like this, automatically just will open, flow will open. No, 5 element, no, all mudras, lot of mudra in 200 or 300 mudra, you are touching, no, 5 element only. If you vibrate like this, automatically 5 elements will, no, activate inside the body, like this. This is one method to open the chest. Okay, inhale the energy also. Drink more water. Green tea, more green tea. Keep 1 liter of green tea. Take half of glass. After 1 hour half of glass. That's a bitter taste is there, no? You have to add the bitter taste foods to recover fast. You have to add the alkaline foods to recover fast. This is the method to open the right side nadi only. This is the medicine nadi to open the mucus from the lungs. increase the oxygen level, pranic level, COPD level, COPD level will increase by this practice. If you do a heart mudra also will open the chest. Keep like this heart mudra. Downward the index finger and like this. Okay. 6 minutes to 15 minutes. If you do linga mudra, increase the oxygen level. 10-15 minutes. Keep it like this. You can do no. Correct? No. Increase the prana mudra to increase the prana. Remove the pain. Remove the pain inside the body. Close, no, downward. Index and middle, like this. This will remove the pain from the body. Increase the flow and earth energy. Okay? This is the main things. You must aware. And one more heat generation. Surya Mudra, Sun Mudra. Downward and keep like this. This is a ring finger, downward. Generate the heat inside the body. Remove the cool. What cool only then? Accumulating cool only, more accumulating cool nadi. That is the problem, no? Like this. Keep 6 minutes to 10 minutes. Then balance the mind. Don't fear. Balance the mind. Keep like this to activate the 5 element inside the body. Inside the pineal gland and pituitary gland balancing, left brain and right brain balancing. If you balance the left and right brain balancing, that automatic prana will generate more. Like this. Rough. Generate the heat. Clap. Your hand is moving now. You have to clap now. This area, one point is there. This asthma removing point. Clap 50 times, 1, 2, 3. Rhythmically, the spine will be activated. This direction also, this area. Another things, slowly. If you vibrate the chest, inside no, accumulated things will remove from the inside no, the membranes area. That the inflammation is developing, no, that inflammation cells developing their touch, no, that virus is, no, it is in membranes, correct, cells, correct, no, we need to remove, no, while moving only it's remove, while humming, this is Sivan mantra, only mantra is though run the world. That's yeah. Breathe in. Cough will be there, dry cough will be there, sore throat will be there, but you must do this mantra. Breathe in. Remove. Another mantra, Il mantra. See, like this, fold it lungs. Just Il. Fold it like this. Breathe in. This will activate the top chakra, the top command, take care of the body. Okay, around 30 mantra. Okay, heal. That violet energy is there more. Breathe in. Breathe in also. If unable to breathe nose, breathe in mouth. This also. Close it. Im sound, only hum sound to open the chest, activate the chakra. That also breathing, one more breath, that is the Brahmari breathing. Inhale, see, vibration is there. Ah. Inhale. Ah. Only ah. Ah. Im. Do this mantra 60 times to 100 times to create the more heat inside the body, to remove the mucus from the lungs and other area. Okay, whatever no body strength you can do. Breathe in, and rest. Take one ginger tea or green tea. Okay, one more mantra. Alright, hum mantra, hum. Another mantra, ooh. Om. Ooh, im. Om. 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 A. Then E. Im. A, E, U, A, O. Add im. I am cleaning the chakra system, okay? Unable to inhale the, if you are not unable to inhale the nose, inhale. Then every mantra 5, 10, take 10. Yeah. See, like this. A means throat. Mantra is operating, no vibrating the body, cells, and every cells is run by the him only. That's galaxies run only him only. Okay, you must know why you are forgotten. Do like this. Increase the body prana by mantras. Om means head. It's increasing, no? See that, check that. Om. If you chant 108 in Om mantra, Im mantra, the recovery method, recovery practice, more prana and take rest and do. After 3 days, check how body will be. Okay? Another things, meditate. Our body always fine, my lungs is fine. Think that. Watch the inhale and exhale. Watch and concentrate. Watch and concentrate. Inhaling, what is going? Inhaling. Exhaling, breathe, no. That automatically the body breathe is going, no. Whatever trouble is there, don't think that. Inhale. Think that. Like this, body is moving, no? While inhaling, I am more energy. Inhale and hold that. One pain will come inside the forehead. That's the energy. Inhale and hold inside the lungs. Think, inhale. What is going inside nose, nostril, outside nostril. If you conscious 15 minutes meditation of Vashi Dhyana, Masi meditation, lungs capacity will increase, oxygen level increase, body also, pain also will. If you have hand pain, think more prana inside. Think only this hand. Automatically prana, mind will go and prana will go. If you concentrate mind wherever pain is there, wherever problem is there, prana automatically will generate that place. This is the yogic practices. Mind is creating everything. If the concentrate one place, mind focus, the prana automatically will move that place only. So concentrate, heal. Red color, green color, violet color, going inside. I am fine, everything is gone. Think 3-time meditation, 15 minutes. That's called pranic meditation. Then you will be a fine. After check 3 days, a recovery method more. Okay? And holding, whatever holding, no? Hold it. As per what your capacity, you hold it. Release it, nose or mouth. What you want, you can release it. What you want, you can inhale a mouth also. Hold it. Capacity. Do like this 3 times or 6 times. Increase the prana. Move the hands and legs with breath. Everything will be fine. Check after 3 days. Your body will be fine only. Thank you.